Hello, Google Ads have just announced their latest campaign, the Performance Max campaign. So in this video, I'm going to go through as to what this campaign is and how does it work. Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Ozair and thanks for joining in. If you haven't subscribed to our channel and hit the bell notification button yet, then please do so as we upload videos on a very regular basis, and you'll be one of the first one to be notified when we do launch upload new content. Okay, so just last week Google announced at the Google Marketing Live, the annual conference and event, about this new type of campaign called the Performance Max campaign. So let's go through as to what this is all about and how can it help you as an advertiser. So at the moment, not everybody has got access to the to this campaign. So if you don't see this in your account, it will eventually start to show up. It is being rolled out. So right now it is in beta and is expanding to more advertisers. If your primary objective is to generate leads or to drive online sales without using the Google Merchant product feed. Now this is quite interesting because a lot of people do struggle with the merchant center and for their e-commerce stores. So this will be quite interesting and intriguing to see how this works. But for lead generation, again, it's all it's all good news all around. Or if you don't have this in your account at the moment, so please reach out to your account team at Google to see if you would like to join the beta. So what this is, Performance Max is a new goal-based campaign type that allows performance advertisers to access all of Google Ads inventory from a single campaign. It's designed to complement your keyword-based search campaigns to help you find more converting customers across all the other channels: YouTube, display, search, discover, Gmails, and maps. So that is pretty powerful. It's going to simplify a lot of the things and it'll help you find the right customer across all these channels. So I'm quite pleased to see that this is happening and how it's going to actually work once we do get access to it. So Performance Max helps you drive performance based on your specified goal conversions, delivering more conversions and value by optimizing performance in real time across channels using smart bidding. Okay, you'll direct the automation by entering your specific marketing goals. For example, if you have a target CPA or a target ROAS, and adding creative assets, audience signals, and optional data feeds. Performance Max then combines Google's automation technologies across bidding, budget optimization, audiences, creatives, attributions, and more. So it is going to do a lot more. It's pretty much going to do everything. So it looks like, well, it doesn't. Well, it is a kind of a campaign where you can run YouTube, display, search, discover, Gmail, and maps all in one. So you don't need to create additional campaigns. That's what I think, and that's what it looks like. Okay, so you have your campaign objectives like you do normally. Okay, let's see the benefits. Unlock new audiences across Google's channels and network. Drive better performance against your goals. Get more transparent insights. Steer automation. Okay, simplify campaign management. This is huge. This is going to be very good for a lot of advertisers, where it's just going to simplify everything for them and optimize their ads. So it's going to find more converting customers, drive more value, acquire rich insights. I'm not going to read all of this. I'll put the link of this URL under this video in the description, so you can go and read this, all of it. Okay, when to use it? Yeah. So best option is you have specific advertising and conversion goals, okay, which we all have. You want to maximize the performance of your campaign and are not limited by which channel your ads appear on. You want to easily access all of Google's advertising channels using a single campaign. That is huge. That is really, really great. And yeah, I'm quite excited about this, how it's going to actually work. I'm not sure how the metrics we can see all the different ones in one campaign, but if Google thinks that it can do it, then it can, because we usually don't have the search campaign with the display or the video. We all have different campaigns for these, because the CTRs and the conversion rates, cost per conversions, can be different on all these channels. So how it all works under one campaign, let's see how it works out. To get additional reach and conversion value based beyond keyword based search campaigns. So this is obviously taking into account your other additional signals and audiences and a lot of these automations where Google knows who is likely to convert. So it's not just a basic keyword based search campaign. Okay, so automation uses machine learning to grow your business, your unique expertise, blah de blah. Inputs. Let's see campaign inputs. Performance Max uses machine learning models to optimize bids and placements to drive conversions or conversion value for your goals. But you provide important inputs like the audience signals, including your customer data and high quality. Now the customer data is the customer match, and the way it used to be is you can only upload your customer match if you had a minimum spend of $50,000 in the account. But now they have relaxed that rule, and more accounts can upload the customer match list or the customer email list into Google Ads, and you can target them. So that's what they mean by including your customer data. High quality text, images and videos that can significantly improve your campaign performance. You can also provide important inputs about what types of conversions are most valuable to your business by applying conversion values and setting value rules. Okay, so that's it. It looks very interesting. I quite like it, and see how it works actually. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.